Hi everybody, welcome to my channel Rosie Cooks. I'm making some chicken mole, and honestly these are monster chicken legs. I'm going to use 6 for this recipe. I'm going to boil them until they're tender. Boiling water, dropping my chicken legs. Those things are huge. To the water I'm adding a teaspoon of salt. So right here I have New Mexico chili pods. There's 5 of them. I have half of an onion, 2 big garlic cloves, and these are 6 chili arbol. They pack heat. When it comes to my chili pods, I'm going to cut them open, take out all the seeds that are inside, and then I'm going to wash them thoroughly. Take all these seeds and the veins. And then I'm going to rinse them. Right here, my chili peppers are all washed. So I'm going to put them in boiling water. All my chili peppers, along with my garlic and my onion. Now I'm going to let those simmer for about, well, they're going to boil for about 15 minutes until they're nice and soft. Here's my chicken. It's boiling. And after a while, you always see this foam come up to the top. Just remove it. Let it keep on boiling until it's boiled through. These are going to be my spices. This is cumin, salt, chicken bouillon, and oregano. So my chicken is boiling. And over here, my peppers are boiling. My peppers are going to go for 15 minutes, and this is a little bit longer until it's completely cooked through. After that, it's just putting it together. So after the 15 minutes, just turn off the flame and let them sit. Okay, you guys, I'm going to put all my peppers and onions in my blender. So I'm going to transfer all of these inside here. So right here, I took 1 cup of the water. So right here, everything's in my blender. I'm going to add my liquid, and I'm going to blend these all together. My chicken legs are done, and I transferred them to a bowl. Right here I have a bowl. I have a strainer. I'm going to strain my chili pods and my onions. Now there's still some stuff inside. I'm going to add a little bit of this water. This is the water I boiled all the chilies in. And I'm just going to swirl it around to get some of that extra stuff out. So I strained this pretty darn well. And this is what I ended up with. That's going to be all the flavor for your mole. So now right here I have a big pan and 2 tablespoons of butter. To this, I'm adding 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. I'm making a roux. I'm going to cook this for about a minute. Okay, now I'm going to add my red sauce. A little bit at a time. And now I'm going to add my spices. And just mix all this together. Cook it for about 2-3 minutes. Now I'm adding a cup of the water that I boiled the chicken with. Just to give it some broth, some juice. And then I'm going to return my chicken. So here's my chicken mole, you guys. It has a really, really good flavor. It's slightly, very slightly spicy because of those little red chili de arbol, but the flavor is very, very good. Okay, this is chicken mole. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe and I will see you next time.